In this video, I am going to talk about classes and objects in Python. In simple terms, an object in Python is a collection of variables and functions. We call properties for variables in an object and methods for functions. Class is a blueprint for creating objects. We can create many objects from same class. There is a class called car. These are three different objects created from that class. Therefore, we called objects are the instances of a class. This is the syntax for creating a class. We use keyword class, then we specify the name of the class, then we put a colon. As usually, we put a space of one tab. Then we have to create a function called constructor. To define function, we use def keyword as usually. Then we have to put two underscores, then type init, again two underscores. Within the parenthesis, we have to put a keyword called self, then we can specify the arguments. We use self keyword in front of variables to make a property. Here I have created a property called color. It is equal to argument color. Property brand is equal to the argument brand. Property model is equal to the argument model. So these values will be assigned to these properties. Now we have created a class called car. It has properties color, brand and model. Now let us create these three instances. First I have to specify the name of instance. We can use any name, then assignment operator, then name of the class, then within parentheses we have to pass the arguments. So in this case, red is the color, Ford is the brand, Mustang is the model. In car 2, color is blue, brand is Toyota and the model is Prius. In car 3, color is green, brand is Volkswagen and the model is Golf. Now let us talk about methods. Methods are the functions inside the class or object. So the syntax of method is similar to the function, except we have to put self keyword within the parentheses. Now I have created the method called getDetails. It will print color, brand and model after we calling the method. This is the way of calling method. We have to specify the name of the object, then put a dot, then name of the method. Now I am creating a class called car. Now I am creating the constructor def double underscore init within parenthesis self. Then I have to specify the arguments. I am typing color, brand, then model. Now I am creating properties self dot color equals color, self dot brand equals brand, self dot model equals model. Now I am creating a method called getValues. Def get values. I want to print. I am using f string here. Color colon within curly braces self dot color, brand within curly braces self dot brand, model self dot model. Now I am creating another method called drive. I want to print I am driving. Now I am creating another method called stop. I want to print brakes applied. Okay, now let us create the instance of this class. I am creating an instance called car1. Within the parentheses I have to pass the parameters. Color is white, brand is Toyota, model is Prius. Now I am creating an instance car2 equals class name, color is red, again brand is Toyota, model is Prius. Now I want to print the color of car 2, so I am typing print car 2 dot color. Now you can see color is red. Now I want to print the brand of car 1. I am typing print car 1 dot brand. Now you can see brand has been printed. Now I want to call the get values method in the car 1. So I am typing car 1 dot get values. Now you can see values has been printed. Again let us do same for car 2. Car 2 dot get values. Now you can see these are the values of car 2. Now I am going to call the drive method. I am typing car 1 dot drive. You can see I am driving has been printed. Now I am typing car 1 dot stop. Now you can see brakes applies has been printed. Now I am going to create a separate Python file for classes. For that I am creating new Python file. Give it a name classes. Then I will cut paste this into that file. Now I have to import classes from that file. For that I am typing from classes import name of the class. Now you can see program is still working.